Okay, so cool. It looks like when I hit the play button on my game here in Unity, that it is that my screen capture software is capturing what I see. So that's nice because it'll help you guys see what I'm up to here. So next up, let's add some buttons to this game. So how many buttons do I need to add? I'm on scene one. Let me look over at my map that I created. That's why we made it, right? So I'm going to go to this window. And from room one, I said I had three choices. So I need three buttons in order for my player to get three choices. So this is how we add buttons, people. We just go up here to Game Object, User Interface, UI, right? That's User Interface, and the button. So click on button, and now there it is. Spectacular. So let's place it kind of where we want it in the game. And you'll notice that when you put in button, there's a caret next to it. When you hit the caret, it says text. So this is the actual image of the button, and this is the text inside of the button. So if you want to control the button, like right here, it says width and height, or you could do scale. So let's say I change the width and height to 300. See, it gets wider by 100. So now my button looks like that. So let's say I do my buttons as 300 by 100. Let's see, where's this supposed to go? Where's this button supposed to be going? To the kitchen. So we're going to take and click on text, and we will write kitchen. So look, over on the hierarchy, I clicked on text underneath of the button, and I'll write in kitchen. Now, for the sake of your eyeballs, we better make that text a little bit bigger. So let's do that. Make it. I made it a 30-point font, and so now the button looks like this. If I click on the button, I can change the normal color of the button. If I want to make it a red button, I do that. Now it's red. Now if it gets highlighted, let's say I want to make it turn green when it gets highlighted. So now you'll see if I hit play, does that. And when I pass over it, it turns to the green color. So that's kind of a neat thing. All right, so now we've got the kitchen button there. It doesn't do anything yet, though. So now, but let's go ahead and put in our other two buttons. So, but let's name this for our own, so organizationally, kitchen button, okay? And I'm going to copy that. Go to here and rename the text. Kitchen button text. Okay? Kitchen button text. There we are. Now we need to add functionality, but before we do that, let's go ahead and just add our other buttons for our other two choices. And what were those choices? Let's see, engine room and cabin. So I'm going to add a button, and then remember, we add our button by game object, user interface, button. Okay, and we'll call this one engine room. So I'm going to go ahead and just do that. Okay, now it's going to say that in there. Let's make it 30. When I click on button, what did we do? 300 by 100. Okay, move this over here. Kitchen, engine room. What color we want that to be? Double click, normal color. Let's make it blue. Now it's blue, no problem. Okay, so now when I click over here, I want to change the highlighted color. Let's go to yellow. And so we'll make it so it kind of turns yellow when it gets highlighted. Now we've got kitchen, engine room. And let's go for our third button. And what was that? Quarters or the cabin. So we'll go here. We'll one more time. Game object, user interface, button. Okay, and I'm gonna just change this to cabin. All right, there's that button. I'm going to move this button to over here. Don't mind the noise. So I'm just going to click that button, move the button over to there, and click on here and change the size of the button once again like we did before to 300 by 100. And then let's click on the text underneath of it. And we will call, it already says cabin, but we need to change it, the font size to 30. Move that over, keep them lined up. Click on this button, double click on the normal color. Let's make it green normally. Then we'll double click on the highlighted color. And you know, this is all just creative choices. We'll make it purple. How about that? So now when it's highlighted, it's purple. So just 1 second and I will show you how to do the scripting for it. Click right here on your text, which you're probably not going to be able to read very well right there. So then from that, just change the size of the font to, let's change it to 50. Now let's take a look at, actually one more thing, let's change the background color here. So click on main camera and then where this, where it's kind of blue right here where it says background, double click on that and we'll click over here, just find like a nice lighter color. I'll do like a light blue like this. Looks good. Close that out, hit play. And now you can see the game looks like this. And as you go over the buttons, their highlight color changes. All right, and that's what you want there. So, but these buttons don't do anything yet. And in order for them to do something, we're going to have to create other scenes, and we've got to create a script. So we will get to that in the next video.